मेरे पास कुछ पैसे हैं। आई हैव सम मनी। आई हैव सम मनी। तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है। I have nothing. I have nothing. उसके पास एक सुंदर पेन है। He has a beautiful pen. He has a beautiful pen. क्या तुम्हारे पास कोई किताब नहीं है? Do you not have any book? Do you not have any book? क्या तुम्हारे पास कुछ भी नहीं है? Do you have nothing? Do you have nothing? मेरे पास सब कुछ है। I have everything. I have everything. मेरे पास कई जिम्मेदारियां हैं। I have many responsibilities. I have many responsibilities. हर किसी के पास जिम्मेदारियां होती हैं। Everyone has responsibilities. Everyone has responsibilities. उसे कुछ काम है। He has some work. He has some work. तुम्हारे पास क्या काम है? What work do you have? What work do you have? तुम्हारे कितने दोस्त हैं? How many friends do you have? How many friends do you have? हाँ, मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं। Yes, I have lots of friends. Yes, I have lots of friends. क्या तुम्हारे कोई भाई या बहन है? Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters? हाँ, मेरे 2 बहनें और 1 भाई है। Yes, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Yes, I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. मेरे पास एक समस्या है। I have a problem. I have a problem. तुम्हारे पास क्या समस्या है? What problem do you have? What problem do you have? क्या तुम्हारे पास बैग में कुछ है? Do you have anything in your bag? Do you have anything in your bag? हाँ, मेरे पास तुम्हारे लिए कुछ है। Yes, I have something for you. Yes, I have something for you. उसके पास किताब क्यों नहीं है? Why does he not have a book? Why does he not have a book? क्योंकि उसके पास पैसे नहीं हैं। Because he does not have money. Because he does not have money. तुम्हारे पास और क्या है? What else do you have? What else do you have? उसके लंबे बाल हैं। She has long hair. She has long hair. उसके पास कुछ नहीं है। He has nothing. He has nothing. उसे कोई हक नहीं है। She has no right. She has no right. उसके पास एक साइकिल क्यों नहीं है? Why does she not have a bicycle? Why does she not have a bicycle? क्या तुम्हारे भाई के पास लैपटॉप है? Does your brother have a laptop? Does your brother have a laptop? मेरी बहन के पास 2 गुड़िया हैं। My sister has 2 dolls. My sister has 2 dolls. कुछ लोगों के पास बहुत पैसा है। Some people have a lot of money. Some people have a lot of money. क्या किसी के पास पेन है? Does anyone have pen? Does anyone have pen? क्या किसी को कोई समस्या है? Does anyone have a problem? Does anyone have a problem? क्या सबके पास एक ही समस्या है? Does everyone have same problem? Does everyone have same problem? क्या किसी को कोई आपत्ति है? Does anyone have any objection? Does anyone have any objection? हम सभी के पास कर्तव्य हैं। We all have duties. We all have duties. उन सब के पास कुछ न कुछ है। They all have something or the other. They all have something or the other. मुझे कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं है। I have no idea. I have no idea. मुझे उस बारे में कोई अंदाज़ा नहीं है। I have no idea about that. I have no idea about that. गाय के 4 पैर होते हैं। The cow has 4 legs. The cow has 4 legs. मेरे पास एक बाइक भी नहीं है। I do not have even a bike. I do not have even a bike. क्या तुम्हें कोई शक है? Do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt? क्या तुम्हारी जेब में कुछ है? Do you have anything in your pocket? Do you have anything in your pocket? अभी मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है। Right now I do not have anything. Right now I do not have anything. क्या उसके पास एक बड़ा घर है? Does she have a big house? Does she have a big house? उनके पास एक बस भी है। They have a bus also. They have a bus also. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.